The honey and lemon tea is great for the relief of cold and sore throat and also cough. To make lemon tea, I have a saucepan of water. I'm going to remove the peel, just the yellow bits, not the white bits, which is usually very bitter. Place the yellow bits into the water and bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. The lemon is ready. It's nice and yellow, and I'm going to pour it over a strainer. You can also use a spoon if you can't get hold of a strainer. Remove the lemon zest, and you can keep this, cool this down and use it for iced tea, or you can serve hot. If you're serving hot, lemon is best served with some lemon juice and some pure organic honey. So I'm going to slice half a lemon and squeeze into the teapot to give it a nice flavor. To create the famous honey and lemon tea, add a teaspoon of honey into the lemon tea. That's your hot water, and some lemon juice and zest. Enjoy.